Hi everyone, it's me Faith, and today I'm going to do for you my Trini Home-style veggie saltfish. That's right. I have here 1 medium onion chopped, 4 cloves of garlic, 3 pimento peppers, 2 jalapeno peppers, 1 small sweet pepper, 1 slice of lemon, 1 tablespoon of my fresh blend green seasoning, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 cup of freshly chopped pumpkins, 1 cup of freshly chopped tomatoes, 1 cup of chopped carrots, and 1 bowl of minced or shredded saltfish. Alright, so here's the process. First, I would take the slice of lemon, and I'm going to squeeze it into the bowl with the saltfish. That's to help with the freshness. Give it a good squeeze. And next I'm going to just mix it up. But what I'm doing also is I'm going to further shred the saltfish in my hand. Yeah, there's no need to cut it up because once it's boiled, right, it comes apart really nicely in your hands and comes to this shredded look, right? I mix in the lemon into the saltfish, right? Okay, next I add my fresh green seasoning and ginger, and I'm also going to mix this in to the saltfish. It's almost like I'm seasoning it. Now we're going to go to the pot where all these ingredients are going to really come nicely together. Alright? Okay, so here we go. So I have the hot pot ready. 2 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of all veg table margarine. So it's very hot. Alright, I've allowed the butter to melt into the coconut oil, and now I'm going to add my onions, garlic, and just saute it a bit. I'm going to have to move a little fast. Pimento peppers, jalapeno peppers. Keep stirring. It's like stir fry. Sweet peppers. Smells divine. And carrots. Pumpkin. So I'm just going to mix in these vegetables. Make sure they're all saturated with the oil mixture I just did. So the objective here is to let the vegetables simmer a little I'm going to place a cover over the pot so that it will allow it to cook a little faster, but I don't want it to cook too much. All right, just to get enough fusion of flavor in that pot before I pour in the saltfish. And now pour in the saltfish. And then I'm just gonna fold the saltfish in or mix it into the vegetables in the pot. Now this would allow the saltfish to also, fuse with the other ingredients. So the smell coming out of this pot right now is delicious. I kid you not. Alright, and last but not least, I add my tomatoes. And this time, I'm going to add my 1 cup of water to it. It's really just for sauce purposes. Alright, it's a lot of saltfish and quite a bit of vegetables, but it's just the way I like it. Honestly, I cannot just sit and have, vegetables all by themselves just like that. So what I do is I capitalize on the use of my vegetables in my cooking. Alright, so now I'm just going to cover it and I'm going to leave it for approximately 2 minutes. Alright, so I've left it for a little while until it starts bubbling, as you can see. And now for the taste boosters. Here I have Cayenne pepper powder. I'm going to add just 1/4 teaspoon. Right. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Yes, you heard right. Turmeric. Now this is some really good saltfish. So there's no need to add any kind of salt. Alright? And those ingredients that I just placed in there, added with the vegetables, it's awesome. Now, I'm just going to cover it back a little. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cooking, all veg cooking margarine. I mix it in really good. Cover and allow it to simmer. Alright, so I would have added an extra cup of water just to give it the desired amount of sauce and to help infuse all of the ingredients into the saltfish and make it really tasty. Alright, so I'm just going to let it simmer now. Alright, so here I have a beautiful assortment of provision. I have some blue yam, some white yam, some potatoes, some green fig, and a nice bed of lettuce with some tomatoes, and of course the delicious all natural ingredient Trini Homestyle Saltfish